Hello everyone! Today we are going to take a look at the SciLifeLab Training Portal. So training on our portal is divided into two sections. The first is upcoming training, where you can see all sorts of courses and workshops that are open for registration. This is a collection of anything of interest to the life science community in Sweden, so everyone is welcome to add training here, even if they aren't affiliated with SciLifeLab. The second part of our portal is the SciLifeLab Training Catalogue, which is an overview of all regularly occurring and self-paced training that's affiliated in some way with SciLifeLab. This catalog page stays up the whole year round, and from here it links to upcoming and previous training sessions or instances. What goes into the SciLifeLab Training Catalog? Training delivered by the platforms, by SciLifeLab group leaders, self-paced or asynchronous training, and new offerings are all very welcome. So let's go through how it works. We are going to first log into the portal as Roger Trainer, and then visit the catalog site. So then I am going to click on this button here, and we will go through filling out the form. So Roger is going to be teaching electron microscopy for parrots now, and so we will fill in the title, the website, the language, and choose a license for the course materials. You can also pick license not specified here, but we really encourage you to facilitate fair training material. Next, we add a description, what is going on in your course or training, what is expected or why this training exists, and then we're going to add the target audience through these keyword fields. As you can see, suggestions will pop up as you start to type, and we really encourage you to separate your target audiences into the separate fields. You can see that some people add their target audiences all together, but this makes searchability a bit difficult. Next up is any prerequisites, and of course it's fine to add none if there are none. And then comes structure and duration, where you can specify if your course is, for example, 2 full days or a half day every other week, etc. Then we have the field for your learning outcomes and another set of fields where you can add keywords. Again, it's best if you add these individually. The next part is the author fields. So I'm going to fill in Roger's name, his affiliation, his ORCID, and his email address here. You can add as many authors and contributors as you need. The next field is training. So this part is for if you have any training that's open for registration, or if you have, in the past, announced something on the portal, you can find it here and link it with your catalog entry. In the last field, you are able to choose from our list of content providers. We have filled in all SciLifeLab platforms and strategic areas here, as well as all Swedish universities with life science content. But feel free to get in touch if you need another provider added. So once this is all filled out, you are ready to add your catalog entry. If you click here, you will be shown a preview of your entry immediately, and it is also sent to the Training Hub to check it over for completeness. You can always edit typos or update your catalog listing as needed. So now Roger's catalog entry has been approved, and he is now able to announce a course directly from the catalog page. There is also always the option to select and pre-fill the form. For the training announcement to be complete, Roger needs to add the URL to the course website, the date it is taking place, and also enter in the cost associated with taking this training. And it's possible to specify costs for different sectors. Once the announcement has been submitted, it will be linked automatically to the catalog page. Here it's waiting for approval, but Roger can see it in the catalog entry already. Once your event is approved, our friendly Training Hub bot will post it to the SciLifeLab Events Slack channel. It will also be included in the next SciLifeLab Training and Events newsletter. The training portal receives over 1,000 visitors each month, and the Training Hub is active in promoting the centralized resource in outreach across Sweden and the EU. Join us in creating a complete training catalog that showcases the expertise of our ecosystem.